Hello, welcome to groMONEY. This application helps you connect with your trusted friends and family, collaborate with them on investment ideas, get insights and advice from them, and ultimately improve your investment performance of your portfolio to achieve your life goals. I'm now going to demonstrate the application so that you understand how to network, invest, and grow your portfolio. After you sign up, you will land on the overview page. This is a dashboard which has all the key information about your portfolio on your left, your group comparison analytics in the middle bottom, and the latest messages and alerts in your group conversation in the middle top. Now, before we dive deeper into the application, first let's look at the profile settings. You click on the profile button on the top, and here's where you can see all your settings and defaults that you can change. We'll touch on a few important ones. The first thing is to select your country. Right now we allow you to select from either United States or India, since these are the users we support. After that, you select the benchmark that you can use for comparison based on the country. That's right here. And then you set your risk tolerance. Here you will answer 5 questions that calculate your risk tolerance. That will be a factor in the comparison of the rate of returns of different members in your group, as you will see later on. Once you set your risk tolerance, you click on Save here, and then you'll come out of the profile pop-up box. Next, you'll have to add accounts that you have from different financial institutions and associate them with your groMONEY account. Now, you can set up your accounts either for automated update every time you log in, or you could enter your positions and transactions manually. To do that, you click on Add Edit Accounts button in the My Portfolio box. When you click on it, you will see 2 tabs, one for automated update and one for manual update. For automated updates, you will enter your financial institution name here, click on the search icon, and then select that financial institution from the drop down, and then enter your username and password. And there, once you hit submit, all the accounts that you have with that particular username password show up, which you could then select as shown here and select the right account category for that and to add to the groMONEY account. The application will then use those credentials to bring back all the latest information for that account, and every time you log on, the application will use these credentials, which are protected by bank level encryptions, to update your account values, transactions, and analytics. Now let's switch to the manual update piece of adding an account. Here's where you give a name to your account, select the category for the account, and then add positions to your account starting with cash. After you enter cash, and let's say in this case 0, you could then enter the different ticker symbols or investment names, click on the search icon, select from a drop-down menu, and then type the number of units that you have in that particular account. And the result will be after, and you click on add after you added all the positions, and the result will be as shown below here for the different accounts. Now, once you've added the various positions in the account, you can click on Update Transactions to add the transactions for that particular account. As you can see here, you can either add transactions by updating from a CSV file. By looking at a download example, you can look at the transactions that you have in that account, create it in that format, browse to that file in your local machine, and then upload that. Or you could add them manually, and the similar process happens here where you enter your ticker symbol or your cash, click on the search icon, select it from the drop down and select the right transaction, enter the date, the units and the amount, and then keep on adding those transactions. And once you're done adding all the transactions, click on Save Transactions to save all the transactions and exit out of this box. So that's how you set up your accounts. Now, once you set up your accounts, the application will automatically calculate all the analytics as shown on the left. It'll calculate the value of your accounts, the rate of return, and the top 3 gainers and losers for that for across your portfolio and your asset class breakdown. You can view these analytics for different time periods by selecting the right period on the top. You can drill deeper into each one of the accounts by clicking on the portfolio tab up above here, or you can click on the hyperlink for each one of the accounts to get to the positions and the transactions for each account. We'll get to that later when I demonstrate the portfolio box. Once you add your accounts, then you can invite your trusted friends and family to collaborate with them by clicking on the Invite Edit Group button in the Request tab here. So by clicking on it, you can enter the email IDs separated by comma of your friends and family that you want to invite with a personal message, and then click on Invite. And each one of them will receive either an email message if they are not already a groMONEY user, or if they're already on groMONEY user, they will get an alert and an additional request here that they can accept directly from groMONEY. Now, if you logged in via Facebook into groMONEY, you will be able to select in the Invite Edit group from your Facebook list of friends that you want to invite. Now, once your friends and family accept the invite, you will be able to look at their portfolio details, like their positions with no values associated with them, their rate of return, and their asset class breakdown that is available for you to compare with your own and get investment insights and start a conversation with that. Once you've set up your group, you can start an informed conversation with your investment group by clicking on the Compose button in the messages box and then selecting the members that you want to send a message to. Write your message and then click on Send. You can reply to a message that a group member has sent by clicking on a reply next to the member, typing your response, and then clicking on Send. You can get a detailed comparison by clicking on the Compare tab. Here you will be able to compare the rate of returns across different account categories within your group, and then select a subset to drill down on. While it's loading, you can also compare your positions performance against the groups and select a position to have a conversation with the group members who own it. You can also compare the asset class breakdown of the different group members to get a clue of what is driving their investment performance. As in other pages, you can also have the different time periods that you could select to get better insights. So as you can see here, we have the rate of return comparison of the different members of your group, their risk tolerance, and you could also select a certain subset to drill further down by clicking on these and selecting them. Also, you could look at the different positions that are owned by the different members of the group and their performance, and this is in descending order of performance, and then see which one of the group members own that, and then you could select one of them and send a message to them, and to start a conversation and understand from them what they think about it. Additionally, you can also look at the asset class breakdown of the different group members and then compare it against your asset class breakdown. So far we have covered the most salient features of the applications. There are other features around community analytics, leaderboard, group vote, etc. that we have not covered. I encourage you to sign up, invite your friends and family, and grow your money. Thank you for listening, and see you soon in our community. Bye.